Dear student, class 6, today I am going to discuss about the chapter 9, Environment of Bangladesh. Man, man lives in his own environment, we know. Man is influenced by the environments of natural environment. With the gradual change of civilization, there has been a change in the relation between man and nature. Various activities of man have resulted in many environmental problems. The environment is also losing balance. We have a lot of things to do to prevent environmental problem in order to maintain balance in the environment. Lesson 1. Look, man and environment. Man lives in his own environment. His life is affected by the elements of the environment. 4 basic elements of nature. What are the 4 basic elements of nature? Soil, water, air and light. The sun is the main source of light and heat. Which is the main source of light and heat? Sun is the main source of light and heat. Trees on soil grow up with the help of water, air, heat and light. How to grow up or brought up a tree? On the basis of these elements, man's life on earth has been possible. Because environments support to survive them, so man's life on earth has been possible. At the outset of the creation, man was more dependent on nature. He procured everything from nature to survive. He selected necessary things from nature to build houses. He used soil as a tool for production. Soil does not increase or decrease, but it decays. As a result, the mineral, we know, population has been can be maybe increased or can be increased, but soil does not increase or decrease, but it decays. As a result, the mineral resources in the social decrease. The increase or decrease of the remaining 3 elements, water, air, heat, make man's life difficult. We feel this problem during floods, cyclone, excessive rainfall and drought. Man came to a stable position starting cultivation. We know in the primitive society, from the primitive society, cultivation, when cultivation discovered, then man's life came to stable. Since then, he has tried to conquer nature. He made vast he made vast cultivable land, clearing forests and jungles. Which thing man's try to conquer? Actually, nature. He produced paddy, wheat, maize and many other crops. He used some animals, making them pet. He learned to hunt and cook some of the wild animals. Again, he used hides of some animals. Even he killed ferocious animals for self-protection. Why they killed the ferocious animals? For self-protection. Again, man planted some trees for his own needs. You know, trees help us to survive because tree absorb the carbon dioxide. They give us oxygen. These trees protect him from different kinds of natural disaster. Look, few days ago, cyclone Amphan affected our country. Then the mangrove forest Sundarban helps us to protect from this type of natural disaster. Many causes are responsible for visible changes in climate all over the world. We know it is also affecting Bangladesh. Weather changes does not go accordingly with change of season. You know, we have 6 season. We had 6 season. Now it was 3. Amount of rainfall during monsoon is decreasing. Winter is arriving late and leaving early. The number of natural disasters is increasing. Severity of drought, flood, and tidal waves is on the rise. Rivers and canals are drying up. Man-made causes are equally responsible with natural causes for this. The main cause behind climate change in Bangladesh as well as the world is global warming. The polar ice is melting abnormally due to warming. This water, due to melting ice, is rising the sea level. As a result, the low-lying southern region and many countries adjacent to sea are at risk of being submerged. The greenhouse gas is highly responsible for global warming. Gases like we know carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, electric instrument like freeze, like air condition, it it creates chlorofluorocarbons. Combined are known as greenhouse gas. The increased presence of these gases in atmosphere increase temperature of the earth. We want to say how to change how to make change in Bangladesh, how to make the climate change in Bangladesh. Human activities are causing this increase of greenhouse gas. Carbon dioxide constitutes the largest portion of greenhouse gases. This gas is generated from electricity production, smoke for vehicles, fuel, brick. The percentage of greenhouse gases has drastically increased these days. From this, we can easily understand the danger of climate changes. The causes for climate change in Bangladesh are almost same as those around the world. However, developing countries like Bangladesh don't use the same amount of fuels as used by the developed countries. These considered developed countries are more responsible for the change in climate. We know developed country experiment on chemical weapons or atomic weapons. So the result of this experiment, the poor country or developed country carry on in climate, but we are the ones to bear the maximum burnt of these. The temperature of the earth is also rising due to continuous deforestation. Experts opine that a country needs forests that should amount to 25% of its size, but Bangladesh has only 17%. Moreover, the amount of forest is still decreasing due to indiscriminate cutting down of trees and destruction of hills. Consequently, the amount of rain in Bangladesh has decreased recently. Lesson 2 and 3 look environmental problem, causes and effect. Man is a very intelligent being. He has made dams across the rivers using his knowledge, uh, like a rubber dam, normal dam, uh, actually one kind of embankment. He has used the current of water to move machine, turbine machine. Turbine machine generated or produce current. In this way, he gradually increased his domination over nature. In Chittagong, Kornofuli rivers, um, on the bank of Kornofuli rivers, water used for used for make current through turbine machine. He made large factory mills and factories, built cities, and is driving cars and other vehicles. He has increased his comfort by making air condition. One of the harmful electrical instrument it's introduced or it's increased chlorofluorocarbon. All these are making various kinds of sounds. Sound pollution is harmful to human health. We know tolerable sound 105, but over the 105 it affected our ears. All these are making various kinds of sound pollution is harmful to human health. With the increase of population, with the competition among all to live in luxury, the pressure on the environment is increasing. It can be said that the balance of man's life with soil, water, air, heat is being hampered. As a result, the environment is losing balance. Because of pollution, many children of Dhaka city are suffering from asthma. In addition, heart disease, cancer, skin disease, and various kinds of allergy are increasing. Gradually, the pressure of because our Dhaka city's environment full of lead, sisa. Gradually, the pressure of huge pollution is increasing in the cities of the country. The cities cannot ensure accommodation and other facilities for the excess population. When the city is called a mega city, 1 crore people, 1 crore plus people, it contains or it says mega city. Already Dhaka city declared the mega city. As a result, the number of slums in the cities is ever on the increase. Besides this, many swamps of the country are getting ruined for human settlement and for establishing industrial factories. Sometimes industrial wastes get mixed with river water and make it unsuitable for us for use. Because the developed countries city are free from mills and factories, but in our country many heavy industry situated in Dhaka city, and these industries wastes mixed with our rivers, and nobody care it, and it becomes harm for the human survival. It's result in the extinction of aquatic biodiversity. In the hilly areas of Bangladesh, hills are cut to build houses on the mountain slopes and the foot of the hills. In addition, sometimes hills are destroyed to make brick fields. All these are the causes of environmental problem. The increase of various environmental elements causes the rise of temperature in the atmosphere. The sea level rises because of global warming. For this reason, many people of the coastal region being marooned, become environment refugee. Repeated cultivation of the same land reduces normal fertility of the land. Now farmers are using chemical fertilizer. Uh, Actually, farmers want to grow more crops. For this reason, they are using chemical fertilizer along with organic fertilizer to make fertilizer to meet man's huge demands of cloth, medicine, and various instrument. The number of factories is increasing. We know number of cloth factories, uh, garments, uh, and other accessories factories is increasing day by day. The black smoke, poisonous gases, and wastage from in the western country or developed country, the wastage wastage don't did not throw in the sea or river. They refine it. These factories pollute water, air. In addition, temperature is also increasing as an effect of pollution. Serious change are taking place due to the rise of temperature. It causes excessive rainfall. We see excessive rainfall, drought, storm, several attack in our country, storm, flood, and tsunami. Again, seedors. You know, 12 November 1970 in our coastal belt killed about 1 million people. Seedors and Ayla are two examples of cyclone of the recent past. About 3 million people in 28 districts were affected by Seedors. 15 November 2007. Ayla caused havoc on 5 May 2009, destroying people, birds, animals, crops, and houses. Generally, the Meteorological Office forecasts about these cyclones and issue warning to the people. We can minimize losses if we follow the forecasts and take necessary precautions. We need to prepare for mitigating the impending disaster and take refuge in storm and shelter at this time. Tsunami is one of the biggest storm. It's created in the bed of the sea uh, for earthquake. Again, with the increase of population, their demand is increasing. As a result, trees are being cut down, natural forests are disappearing. So land erosion and rise of temperature cannot be prevented. It is even making holes in the ozone layer. Ozone layer protect from the sun direct heat. So but nowadays ozone layer is linking because we create more gases, man-made gases in the earth, in the space which prevents ultraviolet rays of the sun. When ultraviolet rays of the sun direct heat in the earth, then man affected various disease like skin cancer, asthma, and others dangerous diseases. So we have to conscious to use the electric instrument, and we have to planted trees and we have to reduce our comfortable things, and we have to we don't exploit the nature, because nature revenge to us through the storm, tsunami, tornado, river erosion, and cyclone Amphan. We already observed. So dear student, thank you very much. If you have any problem, please contact with me. Allah Hafiz.